Hello everybody, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix Bluetooth problem in your device Infinix Hot 20. So if your Bluetooth is not working, like it's not connecting or pairing, you can fix this problem by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix Bluetooth problem in your device Infinix Hot 20.